Government ya Uganda ekataho ekiragiro kya Refugees Act eky'omwaka 2026 ekirikuheereza obugabe empungi mu Uganda okukora omu byaro ebirikuba biri haihi na kampu z'empungi otiireho n'okutunga sente biite empungi zimwe omu kampu ya Kyangware Refugees Settlement omu district ya Kikobe nizigira ngu babaire nibateganisibwa okweguza sente omu banka okusika obwa ba Ugaford Microfinance Limited babahiire omugisha.
Acknowledges Ugaford's financial provision refugees program, which has extended financial services to economically active customers at Kyangware here and also at Nachibale, as he has earlier mentioned.
They pledge a commitment to support you, and we shall do so with passion. We have 139 plus thousand refugees, and we have over 600 groups.
Abajo kunonya obudamu wano baveeri iwaawo nga tebana kye basitudde naye batuuka wano omuntu luseeri aba yali musuubuzi kati n'olwekyo kati ffe enkola eyaffe tuyita mu kubawola ssente ffe tuwola buli omu okugeza omuntu ayinza okuba n'omudaala mu katale tumuwola atunda ngoye tumuwola buli kintu kyonna ekikwatagana ne bizinesi n'abalimi.
Shafe Namboli orukukorra Ugaford nagira ngu bakwataniise n'abakiva okurabira omu Kiva Refugee Fund hamwe n'abakiva Crowd Fund okutandikaho entebeekanisa y'okuguza sente empungi.
Entandika eno twagitandika mu 2020 nga COVID yakatandikaawo naye kati okutwalira wamu twakagaba obuwumbi 9.
Today World Bank came here in the camp and he called us for the meeting. We sit there in meeting, but the answer was being the same.
Mona Muguma Seburiba orukukorra ekitongore ekya Abi nakyo kirikuhweraho aba Ugaford okuguza sente z'ebyobuhingi kandi obiira ry'omugenyi mukuru nagira ngu enkwatanisa yaabo ekozere kihango okutunguura abakazi.
They were able to reach 48,000 borrowers, disbursing 212 billion in agricultural loans. 33% of that were women. They also help mobilize savings. Many of you can put your deposits and keep your money and savings.
Mane mitware ebiri kudokane mitware ebiri niyo mitware na tiwaria noria nonywa Ugaford hano eryo mu kishenga kati n'ekyo nkaga mpari Ugaford obusinge bwo twine hati abaje mu Ugaford.
With Ugaford they just come and assess little thing with a recommendation from the chairperson. They just give you loan. Whatever amount you want, they will give.
Ebyaro birimu Kasonga, Chebitaka, Kemetomi, Kagoma, Rwenyawawa hamwe na Kitara nibyo biraganyirwe omu buheereza bw'itajeeri amakuru agashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.